Okay, evaluate integration of cos inverse of x cos inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Obviously we know there is a formula for cos inverse of x that gives 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So that's a clue, so that you can take let cos inverse of x is equals to t. What is cos inverse of x? Minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to dt. But we have only dx by, right? For dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is equals to minus dt. Clear? It is minus dt. Here what we are having? X. What is x then from here? X is equals to cos t. X is equals to cos t. Got it? Good. So now we can see the changes in I. We can take it as I. Therefore I is equals to integration of x, in place of x I can write cos t, and instead of what is cos inverse of x? T. What is dx divided by root of 1 minus x square? Minus dt. So I am going to write minus at the before the integration and dt. Clear? Good. So integration of t into cos t dt. So now which one shall we take as I? Cos t.
And second one is.
Are you sure? You just see that light. First one is what? Inverse.
First algebra and then trigonometry.
Okay, first algebra and then trigonometry. What is the first one we have to take in this method? Inverse. Second one? Second one is log. First one is inverse, second one is log. Third one? Third one is algebra. Fourth one is trigonometric. Fifth one is exponential. So this is the order we have to take. So here we have t and a cos t. T is a algebra and cos t is a trigonometry. So we have to take t as a first function and the cos t as a second function. That means you have to take u is equals to t and integration of dv is equals to integration of cos t dt. Clear? Integration of dv is equal to cos t dt. Rest of the things you as it. Now you just differentiate here. What do you get? U dash is equals to 1 into, I mean that is dt, right? 1 into dt. Clear? 1 into dt. Here what is v? Integration of dv is v. Here what is integration of cos t? Integration of t. Just a sin t da. Because sin t cos t gives a
Sin t minus cos t is sin t.
okay, integration of sin cos t is just a sin t. Clear? That is equals to sin t. Clear? Here we have dt already. So u is equals to t, u dash equals to dt and v is equals to psi t. What is the formula? Integration of u dv is equals to uv minus integration of u dash v. Just enough, isn't it? So that is the shortest way to remember this formula. Clear? Good. It's kind of uv formula. It's kind of a uv formula. So now as we know this is our I, which is equals to what is u? U is t into what is v? V is sin t. So for t into sin t minus integration of what is u dash? U dash is dt and what is v? Sin t. So for integration of sin t into dt. See, it is easy. This it will extend endlessly. Okay, so t sin t minus integration of sin t minus cos t. Integration of sin t is minus cos t. Therefore it is plus cos t and a plus c. This is our I. Now we need to change it as t oda value substitute pannom. What is t actually? Cos inverse of x. T oda value enadhu? Cos inverse of x. So chinna changes pannalam. Eppadi pannalam parunga ipo. Actually the sin t enna எழுதலாம்? I can write it as t into root of 1 minus cos square t னு எழுதலாம். Sin t is equals to root of 1 minus cos square t and plus cos t plus c. So now what is t? T is cos inverse of x into root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square, because cost is x plus x plus c. இது நீங்கள் மாற்றி கூட எழுதலாம். Okay, we can write it as root of 1 minus x square into cos inverse of x plus plus c. That's it. Drop பண்ணிக்கோ.